This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Traditional style with fresh paint and new carpet, eat-in kitchen with new granite countertops and new stainless steel appliance package. Floor plan features living room, dining room, and family room. Second floor primary suite with private bath and walk-in closet. Enclosed rear porch, private backyard, and off-street parking. Established neighborhood convenient to shopping, dining, JBLE, Newport News/Williamsburg International Airport, and easy access to I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.